The cost approach values a property based on a simple idea. A buyer won't pay any more or less than it would cost to replace it with an equivalent asset. The most common way to do this is through the Depreciated Replacement Cost method. It begins by estimating how much it would cost to build a property today, and then makes deductions for physical deterioration and for any functional or economic obsolescence. It's often called the method of last resort, used when market or income evidence simply does not exist. For example, this method could be used to value properties like mosques, refineries, or even wharfs. The final value combines the land value with the depreciated cost of the building, giving a realistic estimate of what it would cost to recreate the asset today. Another application under the cost approach is the residual method. This method is typically used for development sites. Here, we would first determine the gross development value and then subtract all associated development costs and profit. The amount left over is the residual value, representing how much a developer can afford to pay for the land. This approach assesses the feasibility of development projects and is a key tool in land valuation.